The newest addition to my series of self-help books is out now, Autoimmune Uncovered. This is to go along with my first book, Beauty and the Gut. So if you've never read any of my books, the book that I will tell you to go to first is Beauty and the Gut. But if you have autoimmune, like I did, like myself, and I'm also on the journey every day of keeping the autoimmune away, Autoimmune Uncovered is out now on Amazon in paperback for you. It's only 119 pages. It's a short book. I'm not impressed with the format, but it is self-published, this one. This one is, of course, the publisher, so it's a much better read. Nicer inside. But Autoimmune Uncovered is the journey that I've been on since I was 18, helping my body heal from autoimmune as well as radioactive iodine. It is about the gut microbiome. It is about understanding where autoimmune comes from and how to help the body heal and regenerate itself. It's about bringing your body back to safety. That is what we need with people who have autoimmune. My fifth book, Autoimmune Uncovered, Healing Chronic Inflammation, Gut Health and DNA Repair, is out now. So I'll show you a few of the chapters contained within the book if you are interested in buying it. It's just a small book to add on to my other books, as well as Health Empowerment, the recipe book. So what are autoimmune diseases? Does the immune system attack you? We've got the root causes, short-chain fatty acids, detox, healing through food, stem cells and autoimmunity, the connection between autoimmunity and mitochondria, how to repair your DNA, sirtuins, never know if I say that right, NMN, antibodies, environmental and lifestyle triggers. We have the role of estrogen dominance, the lymphatic system, trauma, calming down the nervous system, heavy metals, daily habits to reduce your inflammation, healing through vibration and nature, stopping the oxidative stress. This is important. Are autoimmune diseases hereditary? We have the MTHFR gene as well. How to get rid of mold, because mold can of course trigger autoimmune if you're living in environments with mold, and just being exposed to it can cause it. And then empowerment and long-term healing. So this book is out now, Autoimmune Uncovered, and it is just a small book to add on to Beauty in the Gut, because of course the connection to the gut health is still very strong. We need to understand about the role of your microbiome. So that is included here. We've gone back to the parasite cleanse because parasites can too also cause it. So your root causes there, gut health and chronic inflammation, the missing link in autoimmune. So this is an add-on to the Beauty in the Gut book, which I would still recommend because that is my major book. This is just the add-on. So you know the reasons why you might have an autoimmune. You have to get rid of anything that is creating inflammation.